She told me that she loved me by the water fountain. She told me that she loved me and she didn't love him. And that was really lovely cause it was innocent. But now she's got a cup with something else in it. It's getting kinda blurry at 10:15.
He was in a hurry to be touching her skin. She's feeling kinda dirty when she's dancing with him.
Getting what she told me by the water fountain. Now he's grabbing her hips and pulling her in, kissing her lips and whispering in her ear. And she knows that she shouldn't listen,
And that she should be with me by the water fountain. She couldn't be at home in the nighttime because I made her feel alone, but at that time she was
I was too young.
Should've built a home with a fountain for us. The moment that she told me that she was in love, too young. I was too young. Too young. Too young. If she ever goes back to the water fountain,
The handle will be broken and the rust set in, but my
and it will be open and I'll try to fix it.
my heart, it will be open and I'll try to give it. Now I'm
Grabbing her hips and pulling her in, kissing her lips and whispering in her ear. And I know that it's only a wish, and that we're not standing by the water fountain.
too young, too young.
Too young.
She couldn't be at home in the nighttime because it
Made her feel alone, but at that time she was too young.
I was too young. I should have built a home with a fountain for us.
The moment that she told me that she was in love,
I'm too young.
I was too young. Too young. Too young.
Too young. With a fountain for us.